Can y'all see how like it's thick all the way to the ends? Popping.
She was a lean.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a human hair Yaki Straight Headband wig for you guys. This wig is 22 inches. The density listed says 280. I'm going to show you guys. To me, it's more like a 180. So yeah, we're going to get into all that. So if you are interested in seeing this video, keep on watching. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, check me out and subscribe. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So I bought this wig off of Amazon. It was a 22 inch as I stated. It was very affordable. I also got a coupon code. I believe it was $6 off. This was, I believe, $89. I will have it linked in the description box just in case the price change or whatnot. But this here is the wig. Now this is a lot of hair, so yeah, it's a lot of hair. So it does come with 2 combs on each side, and it comes with a comb in the back. Me personally, I wish that it came with a comb in the middle, because to me it doesn't feel as secure. But I did go to my beauty supply store and I bought some hair combs. And I also plan on installing an elastic band, because the cap size on here is a little bigger than average. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw her on, show you guys how she look, and also give you more details and style her. All right, so as you can see, this is a lot of hair, honey. Let me stand up for you guys. So yeah, this is a lot of freaking hair. It says 280. It might be 280. I don't know. I never had a wig that was 280, but this is a lot of hair, like I stated. So I'm gonna go ahead, jump into the details on her. I don't have any cons at all. This is nice. I did flat iron her. I did not wash it, but I did flat iron, and it's soft. I believe it was easy for me to flat iron this. I had no problems with it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do some styles so you guys can see the versatility with this wig.
I wish I could remove you.
All right, so this is the second style that you can wear her in. Popping, cute. What is you talking about, girl? Popping. And just imagine adding some curls to this and wearing it like this. Like, it's a whole vibe, y'all. And it mimics African American hair. It just looks so cute. So yeah, check me out. All right, so the next style is going to be like a messy bun. And this is a good hairstyle to wear to the gym. That looks like your hair. Let me scoot the chair down. Like, look at it. Look at it. Popping. I'm feeling this. Now the next style is gonna be a half up, half down. So let's see how that's gonna look. And imagine buying like a hairpin that matches your outfit and putting it right here. It's like, it's such a vibe, y'all. Like, look at it. Such a vibe. And imagine putting curls in this. I will be doing a separate video where I am styling this wig for my birthday. My birthday is on Christmas Eve, and I'm going to be wearing this wig for my birthday. This is why I bought it, and I'm so happy that I got it for such an affordable price, and I got so much freaking hair. Like, are y'all kidding me? Like, what you talking about, girl? This is cute. And last but not least, a messy bun at the top. And oh, I gotta show y'all guys how it looks in the back, because I'm not trying to catfish nobody. I'm gonna ask you guys, do you see tracks? So messy bun. Y'all tell me how it's looking in the back. And y'all see how like it's thick all the way to the ends. Popping. All right, by my reaction, you guys already know I'm feeling this wig. I love it. So let me scoot back, y'all. I don't want to seem like I'm all in the camera. But overall, this hair is popping.com. I don't have any shedding at the moment. I don't have any tangling. This feels very soft. It feels like relaxed hair, but it feels textured. And all these versatility styles that you can do, it's just all the way like so exciting. And then look how natural it looks to my hair. And imagine also adding like a headband. Let me go grab one. Like, you can make this so dressy. It's just crazy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, thumbs me up. Also leave a comment. I love all you guys' comments. You always make my day. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for tuning in. Love you all. Hope all is well with everybody. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.
I've tried always. I didn't mean to feel the way where you're not around anywhere.